Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your virtual exchange with Global Citizen Year Beginner. Visit the Global Citizen Year website. Locate the Virtual Exchange section on the homepage. Click on Get Started to initiate the process. Create an account by filling out the registration form. Provide your name, email address, and a secure password. Check your email for a confirmation message. Click the link in the confirmation email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your new account. Navigate to the Programs tab. Select Virtual Exchange from the drop-down menu. Review the program details and requirements. Click on the Apply Now button. Fill out the application form with your personal information. Submit any additional documentation requested. Once submitted, await the confirmation of your application. Check your email regularly for updates on your application status. After acceptance, log back into your account. Access the dashboard to view your program information. Familiarize yourself with the resources available for participants. Schedule your first orientation session through the calendar feature. Participate actively in the orientation to understand the program structure. Connect with fellow participants through the dedicated online forum. Review the course materials provided to prepare for your sessions. Set reminders for upcoming virtual exchange sessions. Engage in discussions and activities as scheduled. Reflect on your experiences after each session for personal growth. Utilize support resources if you have questions or need assistance. Stay committed to the program and make the most of your virtual exchange experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.